Hello friends, in this video I will show how to download and install Nvidia graphic driver for laptop and PC. So open any web browser, then search here Nvidia. Open this first link. Now here click on drivers. Now here select from the drop down list below to identify the appropriate driver for your Nvidia product. So click on start and here search Nvidia. This one, open this Nvidia application. So here you can see the version 526.47 Nvidia GeForce MX 350. So here select GeForce product series. So now here guys you will see this window. Select from the drop down list below to identify your appropriate driver for your Nvidia product. So select product type, then here product series, product here, then operating system, download type, camera ready driver GDR, studio driver SD, and select your language. Now here just click on search. So it will provide you best and latest driver. So download and install that driver. So this is the way guys you can download and install Nvidia driver in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching.